In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Edge's Read Aloud feature. This is an incredibly useful tool, whether you want to rest your eyes or listen to content while multitasking. We'll show you how to navigate this feature across web pages and PDF files, giving you a seamless experience. First, let's talk about using the Read Aloud feature for web pages. To get started, open any article or web page in Microsoft Edge. Once you have your page open, direct your attention to the top right corner of the browser. You'll notice a three-dot menu, also known as the ellipsis. Click on it to open a drop-down menu. From this menu, select More Tools, which will then give you the option to activate Read Aloud. You can also skip the menu by using a convenient keyboard shortcut. Simply press Ctrl plus Shift plus U, and the reading function will start automatically. Now that you have Read Aloud activated, Microsoft Edge will begin narrating the content of the page from the very top. It's like having a personal assistant read your web pages for you, transforming your browsing into an audio experience. This feature is particularly useful for long articles or when you're busy with other tasks. Next, let's explore how to use Read Aloud with PDF files in Microsoft Edge. Start by opening your PDF file directly within the browser. You don't need additional software, Edge handles this task effectively. Once your PDF is open, look for the Read Aloud icon located in the top toolbar. Clicking this icon will activate the feature and bring up playback controls at the top of the screen. These controls give you the ability to play, pause, or skip sections, allowing for a customized listening experience. With Read Aloud, Edge will proceed to read your PDF file page by page, making it perfect for hands-free study sessions or reviews. One of the great things about Read Aloud in Microsoft Edge is its customization options. While the feature is active, you can click on the Voice Options button to explore different voices. You might prefer Microsoft Aria, Guy, or several other voice types that Edge offers. This personalization makes the listening experience more enjoyable and tailored to your taste. Additionally, if you need the reading pace to match your level of absorption, you can adjust the reading speed. Slow it down if the narrator is too quick, or speed it up if you want to get through the content faster. That's a wrap on our guide to using the Read Aloud feature in Microsoft Edge. Whether you're navigating web pages or PDFs, remember these easy steps to transform your reading experience. Thanks for watching, and happy listening.